Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're in Nha Trang and we're doing the Lantern restaurant cooking class. I think that's how you pronounce it. And so basically we're going to be going down to the market, I think. And we're going to be getting all the products, what we need to cook the foods, what we're going to be cooking. So yeah, I hope this is going to be fun. And see you in the next part of the video. Yes?
Wait.
I'm back, guys, and so today's cooking class was very fun. They take you around and they teach you like about all the things, and they teach you differences between the garden eggs and the farm eggs, and farm chickens and garden chickens, and like different things between them. It's very good. Highly recommend you going there if you can get the time. It's the food that they let you make is very nice. You get to make homemade spring rolls and soup and a dessert, which is like a super orange sauce. You put a bit of rum, so it's like a flame, and like you cook bananas, and then you put ice cream on it. That's really nice. And yeah, if you can, definitely try and do it. And that's it for this video.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politics.